Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out coin number 6 in a series of 10 of the Queen's Beasts. We're looking at the Yale of Beaufort. This is a 2019 £5 brilliant uncirculated coin. This is how it arrived in the Royal Mint hangbag. And what I'm going to do now is my usual thing where I open mine up and show you everything that's going on inside so that if you do own this coin, you'll see all the information that you get and you don't have to open yours. So there we go, with the outer packaging off. That's the front. And then onto the back. And what we'll do is just slide the coin out, and we'll come onto that in a second because it'll have the coin specifications in there. What I'm going to do now is my usual thing where I show off the inside on each page just long enough so that you can pause it and have a read at your own pace. So like I said, this is coin number 6 in the series. I've got the previous 5. If you want to check those out, I have made videos on those as well. Of the series so far, I'm a bit biased as to which one is my favourite. The Welsh Dragon is currently my favourite. A little bit there about the coin designer. And then back round to the front where we see the coin. So before we have a look at the coin itself, let's just check out the coin specifications. A little bit more information by there. And then therefore the denomination is £5. The alloy is copper nickel. The weight is 28.28 grams. Diameter 38.61 millimeters. The quality is brilliant uncirculated, and the obverse and reverse designer is both Jody Clark. So there we go. And now let's have a look at the coin itself. What a great design, and plus with the fact that it's brilliant uncirculated, I just love the finish on that. Absolutely stunning. And let's just check out the other side of that coin. Very nice indeed. So I want to know in the comment section below, have you been collecting this series? And if so, have you been getting them as brilliant uncirculated, or have you been getting any of the other finishes? Let me know in the comment section below because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.